Everybody, so glad you could join me today. So today I wanted to show you something. It's this thing called Twitter audit. And I've been working on my Twitter account because obviously it's like really popular these days. And I know probably in the last year or so I've gotten about 2,000 or so Twitter followers. So I use the free version of this Twitter audit thing because I really don't have more than 5,000 followers. And good news, it says I have 2001 real people following me and only 119 fake ones. Um, I'm not really sure. So it's gave me an audit score of 94%. So I guess that means 94% of the people who follow me on Twitter are real people. Yay! Okay. You can see I just did this, so it's pretty cool. Want to see and block your fake followers? I might do that, so I'll come back to that. Okay. Now, how Twitter audits these sugar plum dolls? Okay, so a good percentage are for real. Quality score per follower. I have no idea what that means. Real points per follower. I have no idea what that means. Okay, and there's some kind of ad. Let me see if I can pull up to here to show you guys. Okay, and it tells you about Twitter audit and what it does. It takes a sample and their methodology, how they figure this out, whether your followers are real or fake, is based on the number of tweets, date of last tweet, and ratio of followers to friends. Okay, that's cool. So they use those scores to determine whether any given user is real or fake. Of course, this method is not perfect, but it's a good way to tell if someone has lots of followers. It's likely they have increased their follower count. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, that's really cool. So just wanted to share that with y'all today. Since the world is like a totally fake place, not all of it, but it's nice to know that, some things are kind of like for real, for real. So thanks for watching my little Twitter update. I guess that's what you want to call it. And be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Clothespin Dolls. Thanks. Have a great day, y'all. Stay warm. Bye.